try and go a little quicker because we're going to make 2 menu items instead of 1.
We all work really well together and communicate.
We are going to
be better than everybody.
Those particular skill sets, being able to work together, being able to support each other, they know how to work in a kitchen. They've got the skills that they can take with them all their life. So that's why we're doing things like this. Well, one of the best things about the culinary arts, right, is that it's a transferable skill set. Whether you're cooking in your own kitchen or you're cooking in somebody else's kitchen or you're running your own restaurant, like the culinary arts classes take you from all those different levels. So every kid that walks out of there is prepared to be successful in whichever environment that they decide to go to. If you would please help me welcome and congratulate the first place winners in this year's Culinary Arts Festival Europe 2022, the Hohenfels High School in the white team.